Hello. Today I want us to quickly go over one of the most important philosophical questions ever posed by man. Are you ready? Okay. What do you call this? For those of you that know, you know. You might think, you plonker, that's a banana. You would be right. But I'm going to try and go into why this banana and how this banana tells the story of the entire universe. Let's begin. So, you might want to pause the video here and try and figure out yourself how I'm going to do this. Because I want to provoke a line of thought, not prattle on about why this is this and why this is that. But what was this before it was a banana? A tree, maybe. Let's go into it. What do we need for a tree to exist? Well, there has to have been a seed, there has to be water, there has to be soil, there has to be sunlight. Let's go into it. So, in order for there to be sunlight, there must be a sun. Okay, there must be an earth. Okay. They must be in the perfect geographical location for them to go around each other, not collide. Therefore, there must be space in between them. Of course, they don't just do this on their own. There's a number of other planets in our solar system that all have gravitational pulls on each other. The water is part of a network that comes from the clouds into the soil, into the rivers, into the oceans, which flow into the sea. The soil is decomposed plants and animals from before. It's got a link to the past. The seed, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Who knows where the seed come from? All of these things, well, stardust. So this banana, in its form right now, does not originate independent of anything in the universe. It requires everything in the universe to manifest as it does right now. And that's not where its journey ends. So, what does this banana become? Maybe if I eat it, it becomes a human, which may become excrement, might become another human, might become a whole manner of things, feeding the mycelium network to worms which create nitrates, which on and on and on for infinity. The point of this is, I'm trying to point to a whimsical intrigue that maybe we used to have as children. Why is the grass green? Why does it blow in the wind? Where does the wind come from? The moon, ooh, mind blown. It's incredible. Now, you can do this with anything. Any time of day, you can look at anything, and it is just a perfect opportunity for an inquiry, for an investigation. I'll leave one with you. You. I've touched on non-dualism before, so you can go and check out that video if you fancy, but I'm going to touch on dualism now. In order for there to be this, there must be that. Chicken, egg, you know. Up means that there must be a down. If there's good, that insinuates there's an evil. If there's a bee, that means there's a flower somewhere, and vice versa. All of these things. So the next time you're sitting down looking at a banana or you're eating your lunch, remember this comes from the very stars themselves that you see in the night sky. And everything is a great opportunity for investigation. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I've really enjoyed making it. This is only the 200th take because I didn't want it to be too long and I can go on for hours. But I'll leave you with this, because rather than talking, I'd rather inspire a self-inquiry. What could this be? In anything and everything. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Alright, take this, hold up one sec. Hello? Swimming pool? Deep end?